Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform an initial setup on LENOVO V15. First of all, select the right country or region for you. To navigate between regions and countries, you have to use up and down arrow keys, and to select, press enter. Once you selected the region, you have to select the right keyboard layout. In the same way, just select the keyboard layout, then press enter to confirm. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, you have to press tab button until you reach the layout option, then press enter and select another keyboard layout. Otherwise, click tab one more time and select skip. And now you're gonna have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So select the network that you want to connect to using up and down arrow keys, and then press enter, then press tab to select connect option, press enter once again, and then provide the password to your network into this following field. Press enter once again and wait until you are connected to this network. Once you are connected, you have to press tab several more times until you have the next option selected, then press enter to confirm, and then wait until Windows checks for updates. Now on the following screen you're gonna have, you can name your device. You don't have to do this right now, but if you want to do this right now, provide the name into the following field, then press tab several times to select next, and then press enter to confirm. Once you provide the name, your device will restart and you'll go to the following page. Otherwise, you can click skip for now and proceed to the following page. Right now your computer is checking for Windows updates, and right now I highly basically you have to connect your charging cable to your computer and wait until the update process is finished. It's gonna take about half an hour depending on your Wi-Fi speed really. So just wait until the updates are complete, and then we'll wait and then we'll go to the following setup steps. Okay, and once your device is updated and restarted, you can finally start using the touchpad. So right now let's sign in to the Microsoft account by clicking sign in option on the screen, then provide either your email or phone number to your Microsoft account. And then press enter to continue. And then you can either use a code that you will receive on your email or maybe phone via SMS that you'll have to enter in on the following page to sign in, or you can use your password instead if you select this option. I'm gonna log in with the password. If you selected password, just provide your password into this field. If you selected code, just provide your code into the respective field, and then press enter to continue. Then select create PIN and create a PIN code for your account. Provide it into the field, the first field, and confirm it in the second field. Then click OK. And then we're gonna have to choose some privacy settings. Switch the toggle to the right next to the privacy settings that you agree with. Now or rather switch them to the left, to the ones next to the ones that you disagree with. If I have to be brief, location uses your location data for location-based experiences like weather, directions, local news. Find My Device feature lets you find your device easily in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data sends info about your device's usage to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing sends data to Microsoft about your keyboard basically and how you use it for research also, and tailored experiences is basically personalized ads. So just go with the selection that you want, click accept, then wait for a moment. If you want to set up your account from backup, you can click continue. If you want to set this device as a new one, click more options, then select set up as a new PC and confirm in the next window. Then wait for a moment again. After that, you can customize your experience by selecting one of the available presets. I recommend getting to know with all these presets in later, and then setting one of them in the settings. They don't change much for you, and I don't think it's the right time since you don't really know anything about any of these presets. So at this point I would skip this step, but you can of course hit the checkbox next to the preset that you want and click accept. Anyway, you can change it later in settings. If you want to connect your phone to your PC, you can select Android or iPhone and proceed with this step. Now if you use Android, you're gonna have to scan the QR code. If you're using iPhone, either way you're gonna skip this step if nothing changed in a couple of months. Then click either select the type of device that you use and click continue, or just click skip. Now if you want to back up your phone photos to OneDrive, you can scan this QR code and click next, otherwise click skip. Now if you want to synchronize your browsing data, you can click accept, otherwise select not now. And now you have to either, basically it's an offer from Microsoft. I think it's best to decline it, and then if you decide on it, you can use it in either way. The same for the more cloud storage or whatever. And then click next. And right now, okay, it's the last offer from Microsoft. Click skip and just wait until the setup is finished. Okay, and at this point that's all. Your device is fully set up. I thank you if you watched this video to this point. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.